Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy midi bun hairstyle on naturally curly hair. As you can see, my client has the most beautiful curly hair, but the look can be recreated using hot tools. So to start, I'm just going to take the middle section at the top of the head and just pop this into a small ponytail using a clear elastic band. Then just pinch and pull at the section to loosen everything up a little bit. Then moving on to the right side, I've left a couple of curls out to frame the face, and I'm going to take the rest of the hair from the ear upwards, pull this round to the back and create another ponytail. Then repeat on the left side, so leave a couple of curls out. Take all of the hair from the ear upwards and secure it at the back into another ponytail. So you should have 3 ponytails across the middle of the head at the top. Just gather these up and then clip them on the top of the head out of the way for now. And with the rest of the hair, we're just going to divide it in half, and we're going to pull each section up as high as we can and secure them into 2 more ponytails. Okay, so starting on the bottom right hand ponytail, I'm loosely going to twist it in one direction and then just loosely wrap it around the elastic band to create a bun. Don't worry about any curls that are popping out, because this all adds to the look. Then just secure it with as many pins as needed. We're going to repeat it on the left hand side, so loosely twist the section around itself, then wrap it around the elastic bands, letting the curls do the work for you, and secure it all around the outside using as many bobby pins as needed. Then release those top 3 ponytails down, and we're going to do the same steps. So starting on the middle, twist your section, wrap it around the elastic band, letting the curls tumble out as you go, and secure it all around the outside with a few bobby pins. Pinch and pull so it doesn't go flat. And then we're going to repeat on the right hand side. So twist your section, wrap it around the base and secure with pins. And it really is just as easy as that. So we're going to do it one last time on that last ponytail on the left hand side. Twist the section one direction, wrap it around the base, so around that elastic band, letting the curls tumble down, and secure with a few bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.